washed this thing this morning. Looks good. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We're at a pretty cool event. Hey bro, is this sun just blasting my face? We're actually at Cars and Copters today. Not the Huntington Beach one, but it should be a pretty cool event. I'm gonna try to get a helicopter ride. If they're taxing though, I don't know how much I'm about to pay for a helicopter ride, but we'll see though. Dang, look at it. Good G80. PQ? That's fire. We got the media pass, let's go. Bro, this already looks insane. Hella, there's a whole helicopter right here, bro. That's crazy. I want this in front of me. Guys, I can already tell there's gonna be some crazy cars today. Look at this NSX. Alright, y'all, we gonna check out this hangar first. They got crazy cars. They're still moving the cars in, but crazy NSX. This one with the BBSs is crazy though. That's so sick. Look at that right-hand drive. We seen this one. What meet was it? Look at that. That's so clean. I don't want one of these, even if it's a GTS or GTT, I guess. But yeah, like I was saying, we saw this one at that dealership meet we went to in the Bay Area. Look at these seats. So sick. Cleanest drift car. E36. I still want another one of these. Look at that. This one's fully built though. That's wild. Cage and everything. Sheesh. Sorry, I'm trying to move away from that because the music's super loud over there. I don't want to get copyrighted, but look, we got a plane. I was about to skip the plane. I forgot this is like an aviation meet, but look at this thing, bro. I'm about to whip this. That's crazy. I wanna ride in one today, actually. Big old plane, bro. What the? Look at this. Bro got the Alcantara seats. Sick spec, bruh. There's like all different types, bro. Slammed BRZ, 300. Hey, this is the one that was in Tracy the other day. Oh, bro, this guy's Instagram famous, bro. I wanted to buy his wheels a long ass time ago, but this shit don't fit my car now. Hey, my car would look sick with those wheels though, I'm not gonna lie. Look how many cars are waiting to just park in here, bro. Yeah, look at this freaking Corolla. What is this, a Corolla or a Camry? I don't know, one of those, but bro, this thing's slammed. Ferrari, what is this, a 488? Yep. Guys, look at this E90. Big old GT4 lip. These are the wheels I want, bro. And bronze is cool. Damn, I'm starting to like E90s more than E92s. I don't know. Dynon exhaust. What do y'all think, E90 or E92? Either way, they're both super taxed now. Ooh, manual? That's clean. Guys, imagine if I was in the planes instead of cars. Working on planes, bro. How do you even work on these things? Guys, look at these freaking Integras, bro. Full race car. God damn. Full cage. The little rays. That is crazy, bro. This thing probably weighs nothing. Bro, I still can't believe there's like helicopters everywhere. Just sitting here. Guys, this might be the cleanest WRX I've ever seen. It is fire. Look at this molded wide body. That's sick, bro. But there's another one. This one's white. Also molded. Damn. I don't like that hood scoop, but these are probably like two of the cleanest ones I've ever seen. Like two F80s. I want a white one so bad. With these 666s. Bro, I just need to buy one already, honestly. They're so clean. Carbon roof. Supra, an Advance. Damn, look at this M4. Looks just like my car. Sheesh. That's sick. RX-7. I don't even know what kit this is. That fender is crazy. Big old wing. Big old TEs, bro. That's sick. Damn. Nothing is fast. I think this might be like the cleanest NSX I've ever seen. It's just so clean, bro. Look. Strut bar. So simple, but so clean. Damn. Clean 240. With the Meisters? Bro, I used to want one of these so bad before I got into BMWs. Like literally just this color and everything. Guys, look. G80, boy. Sick, bro. I think this is Tanzanite blue. With the orange interior. That's a nice spec. I want one of these so bad. So clean. Look, bro, crazy ass G80. This is the one we saw coming in with the PQ sauce. Bro, no way they're just flying a freaking helicopter, bro. Oh no! Alright, back to the BMWs, bro. Dude, these things are clean, bro. Look how big the hood is on this car. These seats are fire. Damn. That's crazy, bro. What the? GTA, this is a buzzard, bro.
Exactly.
Look, this is a buzzard, bro.
This is a buzzard.
Spawn it in, bro. Bro, Evo 9, this shit is clean. 2J. What? Meisters. This is exactly how I would build mine if I had one. Which I wanted for hella long, but now I'm into BMWs. But bro, this thing is clean. Hey, this one looks like my old one. Black interior. Bro, it looks just like mine. It's clean though. I like those taillights. Little helicopter, bro. Nice for the E90. Look what pulled up, bro. 720S, bro. This thing is clean. The carbon hood. Bro, look at the interior. Full Alcantara. That's clean. Next to this thing on Apexes. Sheesh. These are both clean. Apexes, clear tails. Titanium exhaust. Sheesh, good Z06. This is clean. Bro, this thing is clean. With the chrome wheels. Matte black. Next to the Z06. I like this color. Loki might wrap my car this color, I'm not gonna lie. What do y'all think? Alright, y'all. I don't even know what I filmed. Like I was saying, y'all, I don't even know what I vlogged. Hopefully it's a cool vlog. Like half of the show was cool. All the other cars, I didn't even register my car because I thought it was gonna be like proper quality builds like throughout the whole show. Dude, there was like a bunch of random cars in there. Anyways, I didn't get to ride a helicopter, bro. Everyone was being weenies. Nobody wanted to go. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.